Good boy, Bobby. So as you can see, this is some of a basic training. You can see he's very quickly to respond. Give him some seconds to hit the piece. You can hit the other ropes. It took him some more time because I just gave him the head, so that's why. He's still okay, Bobby. All right, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hey. Now I just gave him a big piece because it's just only some training to show you, and that's for animals. For anyone who wants to make them fly free, the response has to be quick. Example like this one. When you call him, he has to come exactly when you call him. Thanks for watching and sharing.